everyone. This is Dr. Shubhangi Narde, Assistant Professor, Dhote Bandhu Science College, Gondia. Today I am presenting on the topic Effect of Annealing Temperature on Crystallite Sites of Zinc Substituted Nickel Ferrites. This is abstract. Introduction. Synthesis of ferrite via sol-gel autocombustion method. Ferrite nanoparticles with compositional formula Ni0.6 Zn0.4 Fe2O4 were synthesized by sol-gel autocombustion method. The molar ratio of metal ion precursors to citric acid was kept 1:1 and the reaction was carried out at pH 7. Here citric acid and nitrate ions act as fuel and source of oxygen respectively. The solution was then stirred continuously and slowly heated on a hot plate magnetic stirrer at 80 degrees Celsius till gel was formed, which was ignited and burnt in a self-propagating combustion manner to obtain loose powder. Then the powder was annealed at temperature ranging between 500 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius for 2 hours in a muffle furnace. This is the figure showing synthesis of ferrite in the laboratory, which shows volcano type eruption of the ferrite. This is the flow sheet of the method. Result and discussion. X-ray diffraction studies, which shows corresponding to ferrite system, confirms the formation of single-phase cubic spinel ferrites. All the planes present in XRD pattern were indexed by using Bragg's law. The XRD spectra show all the characteristic peaks corresponding to the characteristic planes 200, 220, 311, 400, 422, 511, 440, which appear at their respective 2 theta values for face-centered cubic ferrite nanoparticles and matched with JCPDS standard powder diffraction card number 520278 having space group FD3M227. Most intense peak 311 was used to calculate average crystallite size. All the diffraction peaks are indexed to face-centered cubic crystalline structure of. This is the XRD data of the samples annealed at various temperatures. It is observed that the average crystallite size of nanoparticles increases with increasing annealing temperature. The average crystallite size for sample annealed at 800 degrees Celsius is 24.03 nanometer. With increase in annealing temperature, the peaks become sharper and more peaks generate. Sample annealed at 800 degrees Celsius show very sharp peaks and maximum crystallite size. This is the XRD spectra of ferrite samples annealed at various temperatures. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. 2 dominant absorption bands nu1 and nu2 in the range of 400 to 600 cm inverse indicate presence of ammo stretching vibration band, the characteristic peak of spinel structure. This is the tabular data for FTIR. These are the FTIR spectra of the samples annealed at temperature. Then scanning electron microscopic study for the sample annealed at 800 degrees Celsius. Same micrograms show formation of largely agglomerated well-defined nanoparticles with irregular morphology. The sizes of the particles are in the range of 71 to 113 nanometer. The particles were observed as uniform grain, confirming the crystallite structure of Ni-Zn nanoferrites which were detected in studies. This is the elemental analysis by EDX, which shows the presence of Ni-Zn, Fe and O in this sample. Transmission electron microscopic study indicates the formation of the particles mostly of elongated spherical shape with narrow size distribution and agglomeration with particle size ranging between 44.63 to 114.38 nanometer. And SAED pattern consists of the concentric rings which bright spots over the rings indicating polycrystalline nature of the sample, and rings are consistent with the cubic spinel structure with the intense ring pattern from HKL plane. Then conclusion of the study. Here the particles with compositional formula Ni0.4 Zn0.6 Fe2O4 was successfully synthesized by the combustion method of synthesis with reaction pH 7, and samples were annealed between 500 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, and they were characterized by XRD technique, FTIR, same, TAME, and EDX technique. The particle size are found ranging between 18.32 nanometer to 24.03 nanometer. Maximum crystallite size was observed for sample annealed at 800 degrees Celsius, and all this study confirmed the formation of spinel nanoferrites. References.